morning, children. In last class, we have discussed about the preamble and about the introduction part of our constitution. So, in this class, we are going to discuss about the silent features of our constitution. Understood? So, it's a first important feature of our constitution is a written one. Right? It's a lengthy constitution. See, here our constitution is the lengthiest constitution in the world. Understood? And we have taken ideas of USA and some other different countries also. Understood? So here it consists of 465 articles. Understood? Why it is so lengthy? Because it consists of 465 articles and 12 schedules and 35 chapters. Sorry, 25 chapters we have. Understood? And see here, it's partially flexible and partially rigid constitution. What do you mean by it? See, whenever we want, we can change or amend the constitution with the help of parliament. Understood? Members of parliament, we can, with the help of the majority, we can amend the constitution. Understood? So that is why it is flexible and partly rigid. The next one is a parliamentary form of government. You all know that. So our country follows the parliamentary form of government where there are two houses of the parliament, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Understood? So that is why we call it as a parliamentary form of government. And the next one is a republican system. So one of the important feature of this our constitution. So what is it? It follows a republican system. What do you mean by it? In this, a president will be the head of the constitution, head of the country. Understood? Who is the first citizen of the country means? Yeah, president is the first citizen of the country and he is the head of the government. The next one is a federal system. What do you mean by federal system? So you know, India follows different languages, consist of numerous religions and all. Understood? It's you can also say as a unity in diversity. Understood? So next one we have fundamental rights. How many fundamental rights are there? There are 6 fundamental rights. Understood? You all have studied in your lower class. So we will study in detail in the next few classes. And next one, you have fundamental duties. There are 11 fundamental duties. Understood? Everyone should follow it. Understood? Then we have directive principles of state policy. How many directive principles of state policy are there? There are 14 directive principles of state policy are there, which is a must and compulsory. Everyone should abide. Understood? Then you can see the independent and centralized judiciary system. You all know we have different types of courts where the Supreme Court is the head of the all courts. Under that, under the Supreme Court, High Court, then subordinate courts. Understood? Then is a single citizenship. What do you mean by single citizenship? Yes, you all know that. So when you stay in a particular place for 5 years, you will get a citizenship. Understood? Like a voter card, we say. So that is called a single citizenship. That can be used all over the country. Understood? It's a citizenship of India. Understood? Then next one is the adult franchise. What do you mean by it? Adult franchise is nothing but when you cross about 18 years, you have a right or power to vote. So that is called adult franchise. Understood? The next one is bicameral legislature. Here, if you take an example of states, so Karnataka has 2 types of government. So one is what type of government we have. So what type of legislature we have. So bicameral legislature where 2 houses are there. Which are the 2 houses? Vidhan Sabha and Understood? In the same way, in the country, we have two forms of government or two forms of legislature. One is union legislature, and another is the state legislature. Understood? So the next one is a party system. We have a different varieties of parties are there in our country. Take an example of that. Some national parties are there, like Indian National Congress, then BJP and BSP. They are all national parties. And some regional parties like JDS and KJP and many other sub parties are there. Understood? So these are the very important things, the characteristics, if you say salient features of our constitution. So this is a very important question where it's an explanatory question. You get for 4 marks. You have to thoroughly read all these 13 points and make a note of it. Understood? And then when you meet in the next class, you have to show me this all characteristics. Understood? And read it. It's a very important question. Understood? So let us recall quickly the important salient features. So first one is a written and a lengthy constitution, partially flexible and partially rigid constitution, parliamentary form of constitution, a republican system, then federal system, then fundamental rights, duties, then directive principles of state policy, and independent and centralized system, then single citizenship, then adult franchise, and bicameral legislature, and the party system. Understood? These are the very important salient features of our constitution. Understood? So make a note of it.